Hello, guys. Hello, friends. My name is Ayush, and I have to understand you that chapter number 5, The Rise of Empires, and I am your mentor of all subjects. And if someone not see the lecture number 1, so he have to see that, or he or she have to see that. But it's very important because it's based on this topic. So maybe start. Come, students, come. हेयर कट अच्छा लग रहा है. What is this? चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 5 द राइज ऑफ एम्पायर्स का लेक्चर नंबर 2. क्या स्टार्ट करें भैया? उस टाइम तो आप पीडीएफ पे पढ़ा रहे थे, अब इस पे क्यों पढ़ा रहे हो? देख लो, पहले हम समझ लेते हैं कि है क्या. देखो, हमने पहले ये कर दिया क्योंकि इंपोर्ट मैंने पीपीटी बना दिया, मैंने तुम सबके लिए पीपीटी बना दिया. अब देखो, इसमें जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स है ना, राइज ऑफ द मगाधा पावर, अब उसका मैंने सारे इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स इसमें डाल दिए हैं जो भी तुम्हारे पेपर में आ सकते हैं. और ये भी ठीक है. एंड लाइक दिस वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल दीज पेजेस. ओके, and this is our only lecture number 2 that we know. In our book there's 15 pages, so we have to complete this in 3 lectures. So lecture number 1 is completed, in lecture number 2 we start that it's ended, we start the lecture number 3. So are you ready? ready यार, मानिए ready. start करते हैं. चलो पानी वानी पी लो पहले. पी लो. स्टार्ट करते हैं. कौन सा कलर लेना चाहिए? कौन सा दिख जाएगा? ये वाला ग्रीन तो तुमको बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिख रहा होगा. रेड ये वाला तो बिल्कुल नहीं दिख रहा होगा, है ना? हाँ, नहीं दिख रहा. ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं. चैप्टर नंबर 5 द राइज ऑफ एम्पायर्स ऑफ क्लास 7 लेक्चर नंबर 2. Let's start. So firstly, we have to understand that how many topics are we have to cover in this lecture. So the first topic is rise of the Magadha power. Wait a minute. Sorry. There is some problem. So maybe start now. Rise of the Magadha power. This is our topic that we have to understand, and then what we have to understand? We have to understand the next topic, which is arrival of the Greeks. Okay. So do not take any problem if your brother is here. And Kautilya, about Kautilya, the Maurya Empire, that how it become and who helped him. Arthashastra, key ideas by Kautilya, Chanakya, departments of administration, and then importance of Kautilya's ideas. And in short, we understand all these important points in a nichod कहते हैं. And thank you that it's our wisdom, bro. Maybe start. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं अगला पॉइंट. Ships and snow secondary this. एक minute. Bro, why are you hilling? बैक करो and then आगे करो. अब कुछ नहीं है. देखो, the rise of Magadha power. What we have to understand? Rise of the Magadha power. What in that we understand the Magadha and the etc. In that we have to understand What are the important points that because of that the Magadha is the biggest empire kingdom? Okay, first, Magadha grew powerful. यार एक सेकेंड. Magadha. है यार, क्या हो रहा है ये? मिनट, रीडो and then रीडो and then रीडो and then रीडो then रीडो रीडो then रीडो then अरे यार ये क्या हो रहा है? एक सेकेंड. हाँ, अब चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. Magadha grew powerful due to fertile land, iron resources, forest, river system, and a good administration. Okay, it is saying that grew. Magadha grew. Magadha grew powerful due to Magadha become powerful because of the fertile land it has, iron resources it has, and forests it has, river system it has, and good administration. And also very important, many intelligent kings ruled the Magadha. Because of that, wait a minute. Okay, so start. This Magad grew powerful due to fertile land, iron resources, forest, river system, and good administration. It is said that Magad, the empire which is the biggest empire, it is grew because of the fertile land it has, iron resources it has, forests it has, river systems it has, good administration it has. Think if you have a laptop, you have a digital board and a phone, library and many things. So you will grow. You will top in your exams because you have the things you have that will help you in study. Understand? And some do not have. Like that, the Magadha have many important things which incomes fertile land. In that comes fertile land, iron resources, forests, river systems, and good administrations, good advices to the king. Understand? Like that, we have a laptop and these things, so the students top. And if the students do not have, they do not are intelligent much, so they don't top. Like that, the small kingdoms not the they have much things, and the rulers who rule the Magad is very intelligent, but the small kingdoms rulers are not much intelligent that they will give war to the Magad kingdom. Understand? आई बात समझ में? आई बात समझ में? It was centrally located and easy to expand, and it's it is in center of India. In the center of India, this Magadha is there. Sorry, Magad. The Magad is at that place, so it's very easy to expand, and it is very easy to expand and take the another kingdoms into their kingdom, and not the enemies will attack on you because you are in the middle of India. So if the enemy have to come, so he have to take many rivers like Ganga river flow and many rivers flow. So it's very important. But there is also some things that this the ruler is dead. Okay, so we will understand it, but think. क्या तुम्हारे यहाँ भी बारिश हो रही है क्या? क्या तुम्हारे यहाँ भी बारिश हो रही है क्या? बताओ, हो रही है तो। हमारे यहाँ तो हो रही है यार। मेरे यहाँ तो हो रही है। अब भाई, अब तुम्हारे यहाँ नहीं हो रही है तो उसमें and is expanded centrally located and expanded bro, expanded इस पे यार थोड़ा मजा नहीं आ रहा है ना? पर्पल लेते हैं, चलो 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 चलो, इधर भी पर्पल लेंगे फिर हम। चलो 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 चलो। Strong rulers like Bimbisara and Ajasura laid the foundation. I said you. These very important rulers come, which are very intelligent. They have many ideas. Who ruled the Magad is very important rulers. Like we know, Bimbisara in 6th class we understand. Ajat Astura and Bimbisara. They are very important rulers and strong rulers of this Magad empire. Understand? Not like that we name this very important. The rulers do many things to get this, but they do not have anything that they will get, because if they go, this is in center, and the some kingdoms have not much army and power, so they will come into the Magad, so they will not capture the Magad. Understand? So may we go on the next page. Our next page, arrival of the Greeks. Huh? ये क्या हो गया? ये क्या हुआ? ये क्या हुई? चलो 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 चलो। अब इस पे हम यूज करेंगे ब्लू 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 ब्लू। What is the second topic? Arrival of the Greeks. Arrival of the Greeks. From which place is the Greeks things? Greek what we say? Greek countries. Some rulers come in India. So we have to understand. You know Alexander? Alexander का तो नाम सुना होगा. You name. It's very important. Alexander Sikandar. In Hindi, Alexander name is Sikandar. Sikandar. Alexander the Great भी कहते हैं इनको. But Alexander the Great and Ashoka the Great. You are thinking that how and why not on the Chandragupta, Maurya, Gupta dynasty, Nanda dynasties? Because it's very important. They will make their empire very what we say, very high in image, and also they do many things for peoples to make rest houses like that. Ashoka do rest houses, make some traveling things like that. That's why we name them Ashoka the Great and Alexander the Great. And there is also one, I do not name them. I do not know the name of him. Alexander Sikandar came to India in 326 BCE. You know, 326 BCE is 6 में पढ़े होंगे BCE. In the Alexander, which we name Sikandar, he come to India in 326 BCE. पहले साल उल्टे चलते थे, ऐसे नहीं 326 BCE के बाद 327 BCE आएगा. No. After 326 BCE, 325 BCE comes like that happened. Okay. दूंगा इसके बाद, इसको खत्म होने के बाद ब्रेक दूंगा 1 मिनट का. He defeated King Porus in the battle of Hydaspes-Jalam. It is saying that the King Porus, the king of Punjab's empire, defeated by the Alexander army. Okay, Alexander army. After that, when the Porus is died, after that the army of Alexander is very tired. Because of that, and also to go आगे, to go what we say, to go आगे जाना, to go मतलब आगे जाना पंजाब से. It's very difficult because then the Ganga river flows comes and it's very long. It's very long. It's very long, and because of that, the Alexander is died, and he also get the what we say fever. He got the fever, viral fever, and he will think that I have to go, and he will died, and because but he will capture the empire of. He captured the empire of King Porus in Punjab, so he will stop some soldiers and army of him on the part of Punjab empire which is of King Porus. But the King Porus empire is in another hand because the army is defeated by all someone. Okay, understand? Story है एक. It's like a story. Do not think that it's a simple. And in that, it's also saying only these. His army. At that time, his army was tired and refused to go further. आगे जाना. Now, after Alexander's death, I said his generals fought among themselves. After the Alexander's death, there is no ruler who will tell them that what we have to do. So the generals means the soldiers fight with each other to take the part, and they all are killed. Okay, they will kill themselves. आगे चलते हैं. एक सेकेंड. चलो इसको कर लो, उसके बाद ब्रेक दूंगा 1 मिनट का. अ ग्रेट कौटिल्य चाणक्य. Sorry, Kautilya Chanakya. The Kautilya is also known as Chanakya and also Vishnu Gupta. You understand in the 6th class, and I am revising you because it's very important. If someone says what are the 2 names of Chanakya, so you say Kautilya and Vishnu Gupta. If someone say Kautilya 2 name, Chanakya, Vishnu Gupta 2 name, Kautilya, Chanakya. And if someone says 1, so you have to write Chanakya or maybe Vishnu Gupta, but the main is Chanakya. The main is Chanakya. The main is Chanakya. Understand? आई बात समझ में? आई स्टार्ट करते हैं. 1 सेकेंड. हेलो, बेटा मिनट यार, माइक कर गया. Yes. Hello. Okay. A great scholar, thinker, and strategist. He is a great scholar. A teacher, maybe. You have to say a teacher, or thinker, and a deeper thinker, and a strategist. He helped Chandragupta Maurya to make the Maurya dynasty. Helped Chandragupta Maurya to overthrow the Nandas and establish the Maurya Empire. I said you to establish the Mauryan dynasty or Mauryan Empire. So, who helped Chandragupta Maurya? Or Kautilya, or Chanakya, or Vishnugupta. Understand? and how to who defeat, sorry, who they defeat to get and make the Mauryan Empire? Nanda's dynasty, bro. Nanda's dynasty. What, bro? Nanda's dynasty. Okay, so it's very important. If someone says who the the Chandragupta Maurya. Hey, what is happening here? Who is which dynasty is ended to make the Mauryan dynasty or killed maybe? So you have to say the name is Nanda's dynasty or Nanda dynasty. Okay. सब फरकार आर अच्छिकदार चलो wrote Arthashastra, a book on statecraft, economics, law, war and administration. And Kautilya, Chanakya, Vishnugupta. रुको विष्णुगुप्ता लिख देता हूँ, तुमको स्पेलिंग आती नहीं होगी ना, अरे क्या हो रहा है। हाँ विष्णुगुप्ता दिख रहा है क्या? सबको दिख रहा है क्या? विष्णुगुप्ता दिख रहा है क्या? ओके एंड यस, डू नॉट कंफ्यूज दैट चंद्रगुप्ता इज ऑफ गुप्ता डायनेस्टी. नो, Chandragupta I is of Gupta dynasty, and if someone says Chandragupta Maurya, so it is of Mauryan dynasty, and if someone says Chandragupta first or Chandragupta second, so it is of Gupta dynasty. आई बात समझ में? आई क्या बात समझ? अरे यार सफलार और सफलार लार लार फबार यार, आई बात समझ में? What Vishnugupta? Okay, understand. So now next, and they also wrote Arthashastra, a book on statecraft, economics, law, war and administration. They, Kautilya, Chanakya and Vishnugupta, Kautilya और Chanakya और Vishnugupta wrote a book which name is Arthashastra, and in that they write about, in this book they write about statecrafts, that what we have to do, economics, law, war and administration. What are the law of to do war and what are the laws to do administration? Understand? Next, believed in a strong king, discipline and good governance, and they are also believed in a strong king to make a king very strong and disciplined every time. They are believed that a strong king is disciplined or good governance he give to his party, not party, to the to his or her peoples. Understand? lar 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 lar. और यार आप तो देख रहे हो ऐसे कह रहे हो, अब देखो चौथे पे पहुंच गए. चलो ब्रेक, ये छोटा सा, इसको मैं अभी खत्म करवा देता हूँ, तुमसे अभी खत्म करा दूंगा. फाउंडेड बाय चंद्रगुप्ता मौर्य विद द हेल्प ऑफ कौटिल्य. द मौर्यन एम्पायर इज फाउंडेड बाय चंद्रगुप्ता मौर्य with the help of Kautilya, Chanakya, Bindusara and Ashoka were the important rulers. Bindusara, बिंबिसारा नहीं, बिंदुसारा. बिंदुसारा कौन है? चंद्रगुप्ता मौर्य के बेटे. एक इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी सुनाता हूँ. I will tell you an interesting story about Bindusara. Why we name them Bindusara? Only about Bindusara is written, not in about Ashoka. I do not know about Ashoka and Chandragupta. I only know about Bindusara. You know that in 6th class, छोड़ो, तुमको मैं बताता हूँ सीधा. I will tell you. The Chandragupta Maurya. देखो एक पहले तो इसको मिटाते हैं. The Chandragupta Maurya's son is Bindusara. Okay, Bindusara. and why we name Bindusara? You know, the Kautilya is a very intelligent person. So he is thinking that he have to give some spoon of poison in the Chandragupta Maurya's food, that if any king or any small kingdom will think to die the Chandragupta Maurya by the poison, so the Chandragupta Maurya do not get any thinking about that. That's why he will add some drops of poison in the food of Chandragupta Maurya. Understand that any king will not kill Chandragupta Maurya by eating them or drinking them poison. Okay. And then a day the Kautilya adds some drops of poison in the food of Chandragupta Maurya, and at that time the Chandragupta Maurya's wife will think it's food. They are pregnant at that time, and they will think that I am very hungry, so they will eat that food which is in which has some drops of poison, and at that time they will die. And then in their tummy the child Bindusara is. Then they will cut the tummy of them and then take the child Bindusara, and in the head of Bindusara a blood drop is there, a blood drop, and at that time the blood is called Bindu. Okay, and Sara is the name of the wife of Chandragupta Maurya and Bindusara's mother. That's why Bindusara name is Bindusara. Okay, हमारी बात समझ में? बहुत important point था ये. Okay, क्योंकि it will ask in your UPSC exam. Okay, because it's very important for the understanding. Okay, Bindusara and Ashoka were the important rulers. We know Bindusara, and we know that Chandragupta Maurya is also the important ruler, but also Bindusara and Ashoka were the important rulers. Okay, so do not think that only the Chandragupta Maurya is important ruler because they founded the Mauryan dynasty. No, Ashoka expanded the empire and later followed the path of Dhamma. It is saying that Ashoka expanded the empire by killing many peoples, but in their mind they are very sorry to say sorry, because it's they think that how many peoples are dead. So at that time they will later follow the path of Dhamma means a dharma, like Buddhism, Jainism at that time, so they will follow Buddhism. Okay, Maurya Empire was one of the largest empires in ancient India. The Mauryan Empire comes in the largest kingdoms in ancient India. They are the ones. Okay, Arthashastra, key ideas is छोटा सा by key ideas by Kautilya. What the key ideas are getting by Kautilya in his book Arthashastra? Strong king. They are said in that if you have to make a very big empire or very good in image, so you have to take a strong king. King is the head of the state. He should be wise, active, and well informed. The king is the head of the state, the head of the empire. So he should be wise. Active and well informed. He have to know a bee's tongue about that. Okay, and council of ministers, and he have some ministers which give him ideas and rule some small parts of the empire, because only a king do not cover all the things of a big empire, because it's very he do not know that in that place what is happening, that place what is happening. That's why he have to take in ministers. These ministers, important decisions should be taken with the help of experienced ministers. Some decisions are not taken by only by the king. Some are also given, some ideas are also given by the ministers, experiences minister and spy system. And in the empire, he have to take a spy system, a spy person who will know a khabar, he will know a news, he will know any news. Understand? A strong network of spies was used to know about enemy and people, about the enemies. If someone enemy is coming, so he will see the Samasi, and then they will tell the king, and then the king will use the army and kill the peoples. And also to the people, that the people are not working for the another empires. Okay, economy. And he have a large economy. Taxes were the main source of income, promoted trade, agriculture and industries. It is saying that he have the wealth, money. He have to take from taxes, to take tax from the farmer by giving them land and giving many things like places, taxes to grow the crops, and source of it is only the source of income to promote, to take your trade and agriculture and industries to this level. You have to take taxes for this. Okay. And army, a well organized and disciplined army was essential. You have to take a very essential and disciplined army to become a big empire. And very much very much army. Law and justice, you have to make some laws and justice, that this is thing, like if someone do anything, so he will get punished, so it will is equal for all. Also for king, he have to do like that, that the people do not do anything extra. Law and justice, and do not name the another that he is doing that. Strict rules were necessary for maintaining order in the kingdom. It's very important. We have to take some strict laws. It's very necessary to maintaining the kingdom's order. Okay. अब हमारा देखो ये बचा है डिपार्टमेंट्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, देन इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ कौटिल्या's ideas, then is ended. Because these 2 pages are not, this is short, because only there are some important points are in that. Okay. And this is only, thank you, that what this is. Okay. You have to only do only 2 pages. So this, yes, only this and this. ठीक है. तो अब मैं टाइम वो दे देता हूँ, ब्रेक, तो दिक्कत मत लो. 2 मिनट का स्टार्ट कर दिया. अब भाई, अब तुम देखो, तुमको जो भी करना है तुम करो, कर सकते हो. काम करना है पहले ही लिख लो, या फिर तुमको टाइम नहीं मिलेगा ना लिखने का. What is happening? Bye bye. चलो चलो, पता चल जाएगा, सिंग कर देगा वो. Bam bom, bam bom. करें, जल्दी हो, जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी। ये भी मैं जल्दी से ख़त्म करा दूंगा, ज़्यादा दिक्कत मत लो, ठीक है ना। तो ज़्यादा ये टेंशन नहीं है कि जो है कभी भैया नहीं कराएंगे, है ना। तो यार ये क्या हो रहा है, व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग हियर, आई हैव टू चेंज ओनली दिस। ये तो इसी जगह पे रह दो, आई हैव टू ओनली ओए हाँ, like this here and delete this, okay, reset, okay, so now it's done। कट कर दो यार, स्टार्ट करते हैं। चलो 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 डिपार्टमेंट्स ऑफ, चलो चलो तुम थोड़ा टाइम लो। चलो अब स्टार्ट करते हैं, अब सही है। और तुम जी इधर पहुंच जाइए, क्योंकि हमको पढ़ाना है जी, है ना जी। अब स्टार्ट करें, सब बच्चे आ चुके होंगे। स्टूडेंट्स, डिपार्टमेंट्स ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, व्हाट डिपार्टमेंट्स ऑफ एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, so we have to understand this now। finance department collected tax, the land tax, trade tax, toll tax। The first is finance department, in that we have to collect tax from land tax, trade tax or toll taxes, understand। आई क्या बात समझ में, क्या हो रहा है यार, ये हैक क्यों हो रहा है थोड़ा ना। हाँ अब देखो, finance department collected tax like land tax, trade tax, toll tax। It is saying that finance department is collect taxes from land tax, trade tax and toll tax, understand। And next, army department। Army department, what army department have do, maintain soldiers, weapons, training and force। The army department maintains soldiers, they tell that which soldier have to do what, and the soldiers have to do march or not, okay, and they have to take weapons and do many things and do give training to the army soldiers and make some forts to kill the enemies, okay। And commerce department manage trade, commerce department is a department which do trade, markets, weights, which manage trade and do markets and do some weight things and some measures and some fair prices, that if the potato is of 10 rupees, so it is giving it, if it is giving on 7 rupees, so for all people it giving on 7 rupees, understand। And judicial department, the laws order, okay। judicial department नाम से पता चल रहा है, handled law, judicial department handle laws and order and punishments for crimes of the soldiers or any public। Public works department, it is built and maintained roads, this built and maintain the roads, this built roads and also maintain the roads and bridges, canals and buildings, okay, understand। And then next, importance of Kautilya's ideas, if here's the importance of good administration, importance of Kautilya's ideas is that if here's the importance of good administration, they tell that the importance of good administration is very very important, and it will give you the good result। Stressed on economic development and security, you are stressed on economic development, you are stressed on economic development and security, okay। You do not have to stress on economic development and security। Believed in practical and release approach, they saying that they believe only in practical things and realistic things. Okay, like if you have to understand that how acid and base make salt, so you have to do practical thing or realistic thing. His ideas are still relevant in governance and management, and also now also they are used. The ideas of Kautilya's are used in governance to do governing and management of the peoples. The next, in short, a chapter is ended. Now we have to only have to in short, and then we will thank you. Okay, that some points of Kautilya. Magadha become powerful due to good resources and rulers. The Magad is become powerful by some good resources and good rulers, that I tell you in the first topic, that it have many things, like if we have laptop and this and many things, and we have a guide person, so we will top and crack the UPSC. But if someone not have, so he do not crack anything. He have to do many things and many do things. Okay, but he Magad, a place have very good resources and rulers, that's why it is become powerful. And Greeks came but could not stay. The Greeks people, that Alexander come but could not stay in India, because it's very difficult to pass the Ganga. Kautilya helped Chandragupta establish the Mauryan Empire. We know Kautilya, Chanakya or Vishnugupta, that we name Kautilya. They helped Chandragupta Maurya to establish the Mauryan Empire. And Arthashastra teach us about good governance, economy and security. The Arthashastra, which book is written by the Kautilya, Chanakya. What? Chanakya is teach that to do good governance, economy and security. Understand? So thank you. Thank you topic. Kautilya's wisdom and the Maurya's strong leadership built the foundation of one of the greatest empires in ancient India. It is saying that Kautilya's wisdom, Kautilya ki himmat, and the Maurya's strong leadership, that the Maurya's empire rulers like Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusara and the Ashoka do many things to build the foundation of one of the greatest empire, to take their empire, Mauryan Empire into the greatest empires, to came in the one of the greatest empires of ancient India. So thank you all of you. Bye bye. So मिलते हैं लेक्चर नंबर 3 में अगले टॉपिक्स को अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए. Bye bye. So bye bye.